Yeah, good morning. Let me share my screen. So we will start soon Docker Kubernetes. Sorry, Azure. Azure after the Docker Kubernetes, okay? Otherwise, Raz may come to India. Start Azure. So, yeah. Okay. So, guys, let me quickly show yesterday concept through Jenkins, and we will discuss the resume preparation process and all. I hope you guys are already created accounts, right? LinkedIn account created or not? Hmm? Anyone need to create? Honestly, please say. I'll give suggestions. You can share with me, guys. I'm not your principal. Okay. You can share anything. Yes, I had to create it. So, like that. Create today itself. If anyone had to create in Instagram, create. Okay. Huh? Everyone has Instagram accounts, right? Now, time came to uninstall Instagram, install LinkedIn. You'll get job. Once you get a job, same process, repeat in reverse way. Uninstall LinkedIn, install Telegram. Sorry, Instagram. There you can post whatever. This is my office. This is my kitchen. This is my office, cafeteria, my colleagues, my office, something and all. Yeah, no problem. Till get success, be honest, do hard work. Once you get a success, then you can enjoy your success. That only I know, so I'm sharing with you. Yeah. So please, my suggestion is today uninstall your Instagram. Otherwise, open Instagram app. You can see your spend time on daily day average. If it will be 2 hours, just realize I'm spending my time on day wise 2 hours with Instagram. That means you are wasting your time. That time you can realize if I put these 2 hours also my concentrate on these concepts, you may get success little early. I'm not saying you guys not get success, get it. Success will get it, but it will take time. But that your hand only. How fast success will get depends on your preparation. So we have mostly 2 months time only now. I think from today 2 months only the concepts are there. I'm going to explain. Docker Kubernetes 45 days. The coming concepts on average 2 or 2 plus something. So at least from today onwards, okay, prepare your resumes. Update into LinkedIn and you know Naukri. And don't pay. Once again, I'm saying don't take any premium accounts, LinkedIn premium accounts, Naukri premium accounts. These are scrap. It's a trap. Don't take it. Okay. So better go with general process. Okay. After 2 months, we can see. Meanwhile, yeah. Meanwhile, these 2 months, everyone should give at least 5 interviews. This is the target. Whether success or failure, different story. Everyone should give at least 5 interviews before complete Docker and Kubernetes. This is the target in these 2 months. Okay, if you are not getting a call now, simple logic. The experience If you are having only 2 years now, increase your experience 4 to 6 years, no problem. Understand? Job secondary, first practice interviews. You can say 6 years also, no problem, but you may get it out. I passed out to 2022. How I can show? You can show, no problem. At the time of interview, no one can ask your BTech certificate. No one can ask your ID code and all. Simply they will arrange interview. As I said, right? With these classes, you can easily manage 4 years experience, 4 to 5 years. So start from today. If you are not getting a call, increase your experience. Not for job, practice interview. Okay, you are practicing your interview with you are practicing your interview with companies. That's it. They won't come to your home if you say wrong. Clear? Yeah. So everyone, I don't know what you can do. Schedule your interviews. In these 2 months. That's what I'm saying. No need to, scary here. Nothing is there. Putting wrong experience, no problem. Okay, till 5 years. Sorry, till 5 interviews. But after complete of DevOps, na, actual interview you can consider. Next interview is actual interview. You can go for a genuine. These 5 interviews are your practice. Biodata, how to explain about yourself. You can understand after 1 or 2 interviews. Next, self-responsibilities. How your day will start. Okay. How your day will end. How you can interact with the team. Who will give assign the task to you. These kind of questions, day-to-day activities, roles and responsibilities. First, please be strong these areas for these 2 months. 50% interview done these areas. Remaining, once you strong in this area, next 50%, definitely you can answer each and every question. The reason whatever I discuss, same topic, same questions will come, not any additional question. This is very clear. If I'm wrong, check with your seniors, check with your friends. If they given already interview on DevOps and cloud, take the questions, check with my concepts. If any question will come from, 80% questions will come. 65 to 70%, if you answer, you will get you can easily select any company. But 80% will come. 80% questions will come. I'm not saying 100%. Not good else if I say that. Understand? So start. If you are really need a job, start from today. Don't disturb me after 2 months. Check my resume. What I need to say in my interview. Please share the interview questions. Don't ask these questions after 2 months. I will block you simply. Okay. I'm not, the things are in good track, only we can grab the opportunity. After 2 months, after 3 months, after 4 months, nothing is there. Done. Again, you need to start from the scratch. So better you are on the track. Try to, put your time more. Try to grab the opportunity now only. Hey, no problem, yaar. See, LinkedIn created 2 fake accounts, na? Anything is problem? These, you are not supposed to ask these things with trainer, okay? You know very, very well. I know. 2, 3 accounts you are maintaining, right? So create now, give interviews. Just understand one thing. My first interview, I only first question about myself. I'm unable to call about myself. The first company Value Labs. Okay. I don't know what is cloud at the time. I don't know these many concepts. Simply I tried. Okay, let's understand how the interviews will be. So just simply I had just applied. I got a call. They said schedule interview. The first question is about myself. I'm unable to say myself. Simply they ask how much experience you have. In resume I put 4 years. But about myself, I'm saying 2 years. They ask, you are updating in your resume 4 years. You are saying 2 years. Sorry, I didn't check. What, you didn't check resume or your experience? He asked. The things, very worst condition I have given first interview. So you don't worry. Compare with me, you are far better. Understand? Don't disappoint. About myself, I just eliminated for the first company to unable to say about myself. This is the reason. First interview. So you are far better. Okay. May at least your interview may be 15. If interview scheduled for half an hour, na, maybe your interview is going on for 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Yes, you are success. My interview is finished in 5 minutes only. First three interviews. So you don't worry. Okay. Yeah. But I can say one thing. I learned from every interview what I did my mistakes. That is very important. If you give any interview, na, if you something happen in your interview, okay, maybe rejected, no problem. But learn why my profile is rejected. That is very important. This is called what? This is called what? Hmm? No, no. Self learning. No one will come and say that why your profile is, your profile is rejected. Why your interview is failed. You only know. Your interviewer only know. These two persons only know. Yeah. Yeah, I have given 24 interviews, guys. 24 interviews continuously fail. Even don't have any pocket money at that time. I don't know what to do. So at that time, I'm very, as I said, right, very worst situation. I struggled a lot. So you are far better. That's what I'm saying. I don't have any trainer to guide me at that time. As I said, I don't have any friends. Those are from IT background. I don't have any relatives, anyone from the relatives are there, but you know, right? No need to say, right? Yeah. So different use cases. But you are not like that. I'm here to support you. Mentors are here. At least to share something I rejected, sir. At least I'm here. Why you rejected? We can guide you. We can support you. But at that time, no one is there. That's what I'm saying. Still, India, New Zealand highlights every day I'll see, sir. Match already done. Waiting for IPL, sir. Okay, no problem. IPL every year will come. You all say every year you can say IPL. Okay? Understand the situations. Okay? Let's go to the concept. So, Maven and a Tomcat process. Hmm. Maven and Tomcat process. Guess you tell me if I want to write a Jenkins pipeline. Tell me how many stages will come to do this process. Understand? First stage is what? Git to clone. Next stage is what? Maven build. Build means any goal, your wish. Next is what? When Maven build is done, next stage is what? No, Maven build means you can understand any goal. Maven install or Maven pack. This is enter Maven process. Stage 2 is deployment. Clear? Deployment. Clear no? Deployment. So Okay. Here you know what command you want to run. Here you know what command you want to run. This entire process already done manually yesterday. You want to automate, Jenkins is required. That's it. Jenkins is clear now. Whatever commands I ran manually, same commands I'm going to run inside the Jenkins pipeline. This is Jenkins. Okay. Let's understand now. Go to GitHub now. Anyone want to practice Git? So the AWS, sorry, Python, Java students, I'm giving AWS training, just basics, right? If they want to learn Git, I will add you into the group. 250 plus members are there. If you want to practice, you can say, I'm going to help you. Git, anyone is looking help, connect with me. If you practice like that, you can every day 1 hour, if you can just put practice on Git, that will be in 15 days, you can easily strong in Git. Like that you can practice. Mock interviews means no one will come and ask. You can ask to someone, anyone is facing issues on Git, I will help you like that. Okay? Your wish. Just I'm saying, I'm going to provide a platform. If you want, you can utilize. Okay, Git is here now. In this case, so users are here. Git is here. Developer is here. So if they push this code here, this application should deliver here to access, not deliver here, able to access by users. In this case, where I should deploy this application? Server. Robo will put. You more involved in Robo? Huh? Yeah, this is what? Server. Any server. Just understand, any server. What I need to do? Deploy. Before that, before deploy, what I need to do? Build and test. This is comes under integration part. Okay. So in this case, build, test, deploy. Right. So build and test. Just we are discussing only like a stages only. Okay. This is comes under what case? Integration plus build. Next, if you want to deploy, this will comes under deploy. Okay. So this is CI. This is CD. But after deploy, again, we need some monitoring operations, right? Here monitoring also there, operations also there. How many servers require for operation team will take care? So monitor the load and all. They will take care. So application run here. Clear now? This is the process. So this entire process run here in the pipeline to deliver your application to users. If any changes or takes place in the Git, again you need to run a pipeline. Again, build and test and deploy will work. Yeah. Clear now? Hmm. So in this case, first how many servers are required to do this process? Minimum two. Same server also I can do it, right? Single server also I can do it everything. I need to change Tomcat port number. I can do it. Different server also we can do it. No problem. Different server also we can do it. No problem. Yeah, T2 medium is required. That's what I'm thinking. No. So I'm going to start the server. I'm changing instance type. T2.medium. Two servers, one server. Which one is preferred means depends. If multiple servers are there, then single Jenkins server is required. If your end only one server is there, na, better to install Jenkins also same server. Your end multiple servers are there, Docker, Kubernetes, separate servers. Instead of install Jenkins into all servers, create one Jenkins separate server. But your end only one server is there, install Jenkins also there is only better. I will show you the process of master slave, right? Okay, you can configure master slave in the different server also. Maven connect. Okay, let's install Jenkins quickly. Including Java. Systemctl status Jenkins. You can take password from here also. Okay, let me log in first. Jenkins, copy. We can change anytime. Tomcat, you can install in the same server or different server also. Tomcat not yet installed, right? Okay. What happened? Terraform test? Doing a? Okay. Intro questions means those are intro questions. Terraform intro questions already I have shared to you. The test is Terraform intro questions. So if required, please add. Anyone want to add 10 questions or 15 questions, please? Okay. Few questions are simple, few questions are moderate. Not difficult questions are there in that. Okay. I'm creating a job now. And before that, what I should do here? Install Maven also here. Yeah, M install Git to clone the repository from the GitHub in this server where the Jenkins is running. M install Maven-y. Okay, Maven already installed. Huh? Perfect. These two are clear right now till here. Okay. So now from the Jenkins, am I able to clone? Am I able to build the process? Yes. Then proceed. Pipeline. Write hello world script from here. Git clone. You know how to do this, right? Pipeline syntax for Git. So my project is go to the repository. So code, everything take care by developers. You don't think much on that. Main branch credentials not required. This is public one. Generate script. Copy. Paste. Clear now? Yeah. Next stage. Control C. Control V. Here remove sh mvn clean. Just we can run first clean. First, if you are able to do it, then we can go for next. So manual process is what? First clone the repository, then you guys can run the goals only. Nothing to do in that Maven project. Our job is to run goals, execution process. The deployment, the code inside, they will add all the required dependencies and all. Okay. Now apply save. And before that, we need to go for manage Jenkins. I need to install plugins, right? Available plugins. Which plugin? Stage View. Or you can install this one also. Okay, let me install Stage View first. Blue Ocean plugin also for a different UI, the background. Okay, let me show you first. Okay, I'm going to now build now. We'll see. Fail. Duplicate stage name. Done. So you can go to your EC2 instance, ls. Okay. So where you can go and check this? Where lab cd, sorry, yeah, cd. All files are clone. You can give tree, maybe m install tree hyphen y. Give tree command. Okay. So now again go to the Jenkins here, configure. Okay, let me install the different plugin also just for Blue Ocean. Dashboard, I think. Let's try. See, open Blue Ocean also there. You can run from here also. Different dashboard. Yes, yes. Cover 85%. 90% also you can understand, not 80. 90%. The remaining 10%, we don't know. Why it is taking much time? Okay. Let it be. Let it be first. We can check this. Okay, now. So go to configure. This time I'm going to give compile. Okay. Apply and save. Bill now. So go to server. Now, whenever I run compare, target folder will create and dot class files will be created, right? Now you can see tree. See? Why? This is already run compile process. Now go to configure. If I give package, what will happen? Varo jaro. Okay. One file will be created. See, created. Understand? So like that it will work. Target folder inside jar file will. No. They are done. Refresh. It will work, but let's focus first concept, then we can see. Okay, var file is created inside the target folder. Clear now? Next process is what? Deploy this var into Tomcat server, right? In this case, Tomcat should run in the same server or a different server. Your wish. Tell me which use case I will take, same or different? Hmm? Same or different? Same server. In that case, let me delete this. You can, but not required, right? If you want to add multiple stages, you can add. But anyway, when you can run package before clean compile test will work, right? You know it to add, but if you want, you can add your wish. Now the process is typical process Tomcat. Tell me first is what? Install Tomcat. Wget. Oh, you guys are done in Windows Server also. Great. Which process is like Windows or Linux? Huh? Understand no? Linux is easy compared to Windows. In coming classes, you may realize more. If you are getting any task in Windows, simply I'll give to someone. The process is a very hectic process to do task in Windows. Not only me, entire team. You can take care like that. We can share the tickets. Even my TL also. Recently, recently we got one Windows related issues. My TL is share the ticket to me. I'll share to one more person. Again, it is reached to again TL. I don't know Windows. I don't know Windows like that. We are discussing. Troubleshooting is very difficult, guys. Windows Server. The commands are not support Linux commands, right? PowerShell commands. Simply here we are giving ls command to check the list of files. Okay. Is there any process is running? Simply we can check the Linux commands, but Windows PowerShell commands are completely different. Very difficult process. So that's what the troubleshooting is very difficult in Windows time taking process. So actually yesterday we got a one task. Can anyone try? Just simple task only. You can easily understand. Unable to connect from the Bastion host. So the customer is unable to connect his server through Bastion host. What could be the reason? Meanwhile, you can think I'll install. Okay. Hmm? Unable to connect first to enter password. Understand? Password also not unable to, just first request is not accepting to go inside Windows. Hmm? Windows not SSH, RDP. Yeah, security group is one of the reason. Next. Connect NAT gateway, is there any relation? Yeah, very good. Route table also fine. Security group also fine. Okay. Tar hyphen XVZ. Okay, I'm going to rename also if required. Yeah, might be SG rules, might be subnet NASL is attached. NASL, you know, right? What is NASL? Subnet level will work. Maybe NASL is updated, security group is enabled also, it won't work. NASL also no issue. Same subnet, 3 servers are running, 2 able to connect, 1 unable to connect. So I'm able to connect direct console, not bash host again. I'm able to connect through console, but not through bash. Okay, meanwhile, just focus here. How to change the port number? Where should I go? Config. Next, servers.xml. No, no, not Jenkins. Jenkins already running. Don't disturb the Jenkins to change the port number. Okay. sh, go to bin, sh startup.sh. Tomcat has started. On which port? 8081. Oh, okay. Don't brainstorm on the bash host. We'll see. Okay. Even even Fermials, it's weird why it is not connecting. So we have raised the request to AWS support. We see everything is good. Server also restarted. Still RDP also running. Maybe my what I'm thinking, bash no host inside only issue is there. Server is able to server and no issues. Network and no issues. Bash is there maybe limit. Maybe multiple users are connecting. Maybe bash and if they put any limitations, maybe the reason. But where exactly bash no host running, we don't know. So yeah, this is 8081. Next is what? Manager app. So go for manager's context.xml in this case. So please focus coming topics, very, very important. So try to come offline. Not easy to understand Docker Kubernetes, but very interesting concepts, guys. We will discuss in detail the concepts like how Terraform we discuss like that. Very, very important concepts. These concepts will help enter your career, not for temporary. So that you need to focus. Okay. If you come 1 week, sorry, 1 day, again taking rest, not work out in the Docker Kubernetes. 30 days, 35 days dedication is required. No, sir. I don't have dedication now. I'm full occupied. Then in this case, try job on Terraform. Jenkins Git. What happened is, if I do same server, everything like these problems will come. You know, right? This process, right? Kubernetes. See the Kubernetes classes time. I think no one will be there in the class. But just understand, guys, one thing. If you learn from me Kubernetes, you see the difference. Many students, even existing employees, DevOps engineers, they say that Kubernetes is difficult and something and all, right? But for us, Kubernetes is very, very easy. Like that, we can focus. So utilize this opportunity. Once again, I'm saying, I think you are happy with Terraform, right? You are happy with Git, right? Now, more than impact I will create. Like more than Git, more than Terraform, I will create impact. A good impact. So the Docker and Kubernetes. The reason, eh, the main reason Docker and Kubernetes are our core concepts, DevOps core concepts. Maven, your involvement is very less. Next coming Sonar Cube also very just configuration only. But where we can show our strength, like Terraform, Cloud, Docker, Kubernetes. These are, no one can involve these areas. If you say I'm strong in Maven, de developers can do your task. Yeah. So, but developers not possible to involve in your Kubernetes task. They don't know. Not at all possible. No scope to learn Kubernetes by developers. I mean, whoever stick on only development skills, they can also take training and DevOps, they can also do it. I'm saying from their development skill set, not at all possible to learn Kubernetes. Kubernetes is a big version. It's not easy to learn in one day, 2 day. It will take months. Okay. I have started my Kubernetes journey from the last 5 years. Now still, I'm not saying I'm good at Kubernetes. Still, there is some issues. There is some lag somewhere. Like this, so in this case, never-ending process. Start learning from now. That will help to get a more package in your organization. Good role also. Okay. Correct. Slowly, we are building blocks. Next is what, guys? I removed the the internal access issue also. Next is what? Go to where again? Roles, right? Roles and username password I have to give. For that, where should I go? Config Tomcat users.xml, right? Tomcat users.xml. So you can modify here also. This one also you can modify. So instead of modifying that, simply I'm removing and adding better. That's what I'm doing. Same, whatever the lines I'm removing, same lines I'm adding again, but one more extra line. You can uncomment here one by one line also, fine. Your wish. Finally, I need username and password to log in my Tomcat server. Next, login. You can give admin. So you are able to log in. But behalf of you, who can allow to do this task? Login and deploy? Jenkins. So Jenkins should know the URL of the Tomcat. Jenkins should know the username password of the Tomcat. Jenkins should know where the var file need to place. Clear? You know manual process, right? Login is done and next go to copy command. You are going to run copy command there to here and an access that you know, but Jenkins has to do this behalf of you. Clear? Yeah. In this case, I'm just closing this dashboard of Tomcat now. Okay. I'll reopen again after Jenkins will deploy. In this case, let's go to the Jenkins now. Yeah, Maven plus Tomcat basically for Java. Yeah, next is what here? What I need to do here in the Jenkins configuration. What happened to Blue Ocean? Let it run. Okay. Tell me, next stage is what? Like this, you need to add O. Okay. So like this, we need to first prepare a stages very high level, then you can modify. Understanding of the Jenkins pipeline, not individual stage. First see how many stages are there, what exactly it will do. Then focus on individual block. Deploy. So now you tell me guys, to do this task by Jenkins required what? Just I'm writing only. First credentials required for Tomcat. Before that is what? URL is required, right? Jenkins has to know where the Tomcat is running. That URL is what? IP 8081. Next, Jenkins able to hit URL. Next is what? Login by Jenkins. In this case, credentials required or not? Credentials required. Next is what? Path, exactly where this file need to be copy paste. Var file already generated by before stage, Maven install. Next, this stage is what? To move into Tomcat web apps path. So path also required. These three clear now? Okay. Now, in this case, first I need, okay, let's go to here. Click on the pipeline syntax. So here you need to select deployer on Tomcat. Let's check here. Deployer on Tomcat is not there here. So what I can do? Install plugin first. Okay. Which plugin? Let's go here. Dashboard, manage Jenkins, go to plugins, available plugins, deployer on Tomcat. This is deploy to container will support to deploy var file container after successful build. Clear? Install deploy container. Clear now? Okay, plugin is installed. Now you can refresh. Amma, what happened, Amma? Wait here, Harshad. We haven't entered credentials, right? We are at where? Please don't leave us. Please with us. Then we can go for everyone next credentials. Okay. This is interest, guys. Interest from Harshad and we should encourage. Mm, where? Okay, let's go to the again pipeline syntax. Where is that? It should be update here. Let's refresh till it is going on. Let's go to plugins, manage Jenkins, plugins, available plugins, and go to again deploy container. Install plugins. Okay, this is already installed. Let's now you can pipeline syntax, refresh. Everything is good, but they are not giving search option also. This is very. Okay, I'll do that. Let's restart is required maybe. Sometimes it is update. First close this blue version. Yeah, let's do that. Systemctl restart Jenkins. So I didn't see what was the text. Now it will ask sign in. Okay. Now let's go to your Jenkins pipeline configure. Here you can open pipeline syntax, deployer var or your container. Okay, updated, right? Click on this. Sometimes even not required, but I don't know why. Maybe blue ocean effect. Okay. Okay. Now see here. Yeah, workspace Jenkins. So guys, my var file will be created into which directory here? You can give it tree. Target inside web app var. This target folder inside of where? Web app. So inside web app, inside target var file is there. Clear now? So in this case, can I give here the container creation time? Can I give path star okay. Otherwise, we can give directly web app target star var. Clear? Star dot var. Clear now? Like this also you can work. So let me check the path. Web app target. Okay. So your pipeline after build, your Jenkins is into workspace inside pipeline, right? Inside, we have to take this war file from here and deploy into target. Clear now? Okay. Context path I will explain. Wait. Next, which container it is? Tomcat 9. Select. What is the URL of Tomcat? 8081. So now tell me, if Tomcat is running different server also, no problem, right? We can give URL. If the both are public, no problem. Private means again master and slave concept through SSH only it will connect. Now credentials point. So credentials, okay, let's create one more duplicate tab. How to create a credentials for Tomcat? Manage Jenkins. Where should I go? Credentials. Here, check on the system, click on the global credentials, add credentials. Okay, tell me what kind of credentials for username password. See, we have a different kinds. Secret file, secret test, GitHub, SSH and something. What I need to select? Username password. So username password, let's go to my, yeah, admin also you can give. I'm giving deployer. Manager script, I'm giving this username password only. Okay, so deployer. You can give anything. My role is manager script role now. Deployer. Oh, okay. ID is what here? You can give anything. Tomcat something. Okay. Creating a credentials. Done now. Next go to, yeah. Next go to here. Add credentials. I think again we need to refresh. No problem. Again we need to go for deployer. Again we can go for web app target. I don't know exactly var file name. You can give web app also, web app.var. Same server Tomcat running. That's what I'm taking. Same IP. But port numbers are different. That's what I'm changing the port number. Next, add container 9. Next, hey, sorry. Yeah, credentials deployer. Okay. Automatically you are able to see the credentials here. Clear till here no? Now, so this all the steps contains what? URL, credentials, path. This three already discussed before it, what handle required for Jenkins. And now it will generate a one script. Take this script, copy, and where should I add? Message. Clear till here? Clear? Yeah. So apply, save. Now build means what? Git clone again. Next mvn build. Next deploy into Tomcat server. Which one? Oh shit. Clear? Okay. Apply, save, build now. So my Tomcat inside, even if you can check, copy. Here, click on the manager apps. Web apps, nothing is there, right? Let's run the pipeline, we'll see. Git clone first, build next, schedule next. Deploy also done. Now open and refresh here. See web app update or not? You can click. Clear now? Now, for example, this is the pipeline script, right? Go to serve web app, inside index.jsp. So for example, if you do any change here, DevOps with multi-cloud real-time training 2025, Naresh IT. Okay, I'm going to change, DevOps with AWS Azure GCP I'm giving. Commit changes. If you pipeline already enable trigger, which trigger? Webhook trigger, automatically update or not? Deploy. Jenkins pipeline run, when it will run, build will run, deploy will run. But real time, most of the cases we are not enable webhook. Someone can do any mistake, directly impact on users. So we can check. After do the modifications, you need to push the changes into your branch. Then someone can validate your changes and approve to master branch where the integration is configured, Jenkins integration, right? Then only it will deliver. But I'm doing directly changes here only. But in real time, you know the process, right? You can do your code in your end, push to your branch, raise the pull request. So your manager or TL can review the changes and approve to main branch where the integration already configured. They automatically run the pipeline if you want. Otherwise, they are also run manually. One more time will be validated out of that. And now we have a three environments usually: dev, test, prod, or dev, pre-prod, and prod. This will create a dev only. Again, dev environment, we can validate everything is good. They will give approval for test environment. Again, test environment, everything is good. They will give pre-prod environment. Again, everything is good. Then you can release to prod environment, not directly release to prod environment. Understand? If any new feature is coming in the Flipkart or Amazon, they will test all environments and release to prod environment. Then only we are able to access. This is the understanding. Clear till here what I'm trying to say? Okay. Now I have done some changes, right? So what I should do? Simply build. No need to do anything in the server level, right? So we are giving this pipeline this way to client. Now client do changes and run pipeline only. Client no need to install Maven, no need to install Tomcat, no need to do any changes. This is for their benefit we are doing. They're easily do this process. Now see, update or not? Yeah. Clear no? So roles and here, see, I'm creating a multiple role names only. Okay, if you want, you can remove these role names, not required. Just for understanding purpose, I'm creating a multiple roles and giving attach username password for this role. Attach username password. You can create one more user also, for example. Okay, here you can give AWS, Azure. But whoever login with AWS Azure, credentials, which role attached? Manager GUI. So they're able to access user interface. Like that, we have a three roles. If you need more clarity, theoretical explanation, go for ChatGPT and ask. Explain these roles. Clear? This is not required. So see like this, whatever I have done, same process. Branch production means what? That's what branch production means. You are not supposed to work on main branch. We have to take some permissions and all. Okay. So this is the process if you want. So manager script means you can process through curl or Jenkins or Ansible. This is manager script. Just now I have created a deployer credentials for what? Manager script for Jenkins or Ansible if you want access from anywhere. Okay. Yeah, our wish. Even you are not creating any branch production rules. Once you get say 8 years, 7 years experience, you are giving you branch access to your downstream team only. You can create a production branches. Okay. Clear the Tomcat with Maven and Jenkins. Yeah. This is the process. So please practice. Even we can give like this also. Can I give here one more star, here one more star? We can give, right? If you don't know what is web app, give star, give star. Let's try one star. No, sir. Clear? If I don't know what is that here, like this we can give. Even my end already pipelines. Sir, ever now. I ask multiple times, not getting any response from this batch, right? Now asking, sir, we divide a batches. Huh? Someone is, I don't know who is asking. Someone is asking, divide the teams, multiple teams here. I'm okay with that still. I'm okay with that. I'll share this Jenkins notes today. Already we discussed these concepts. Yeah. Tomcat Jenkins also here, step by step process. Okay, like this we can give. Sorry, not here. It would be nice. Yeah, I know it would be nice. But that initiation, the interest that should be comes from your end only, not from trainer end. Trainer already explained multiple times. Guys, we can divide like this. Not even response from this batch. Still, we are going to learn Docker and Kubernetes. Very important thing. Still interest means give your names. I'm going to lead 6 members. I'm going to lead 7 members. Without, getting response from you, we count anything. Simply first 10 members you can work on this team. Second 10 members I can work on this team. How I can say? This is no role numbers concept here. You need, from your end, that initiation is required. Sir, I will take care of 6 to 7 members. Concepts are very clear, my end. If anyone want to need help, then you can give names. This is benefit, guys. The reason in an interview, they ask, have you, how many team members you have driven the team members under you? You can say 8 members, 7 members, simply. This experience, the reason multiple people are asking something different questions, huh? That will check your patience, right? Then you can understand how difficult job to do as a trainer. Huh? Just try with 6 members. The 6 members, one member If you ask the guys any doubts on Git, if they are not saying anything now, after 15 days, if they ask, can you explain Git process? You can understand your patients know. Okay. So, okay, give a try. 7 members, take different people, non-IT. Okay, the person is attend irregular. The person is attend regular. Different use cases. You can see the difference. But I can say one thing is, still, if you are able to drive your team successfully, you will be a good lead in the coming days. I can say that. Okay. So please give your name. Even doesn't matter, sir, I'm a non-native background. So I have some challenge. No problem. Overcome your challenges. I'm non-IT background, sir, but I'm able to follow your sessions. I can easily complete your sessions. So is it good to take any team 6 to 7 members? Yes. Now only you can clear the challenges. Once you get an opportunity, no one is there to help you. So this is the time. Whatever best you can give now. We have a 2 months time still. No, sir, I'm silence only. If someone can take me into their team, I will go simply. I will attend weekly 4 classes, sir. 2 classes I will connect with my TL, sir. If TL having a good patience, he can explain. Otherwise, he can call me and say that this person is not attending regular classes and he's disturbed me a lot. This kind of things will come. So be ready for that. Give the names. I will appreciate. So if whoever give the names, I will divide the teams. So I will declare every month the best TLs, best team also. We will give something also like 10:30 batch what we are following. Okay. So guys, here you can give like this also. And context path is there, right? Context path place, if you can give, for example, test any something, your var file will be created inside the test file, test folder. Let me apply and save. Done, right? Now you can go and come back, refresh here. See test also updated, right? Different folder. This is different folder. Here also you can able to access. Context path means you can use separate path where the application has to deploy also by using Jenkins. Clear? Tell me, from online, how many of you ready to drive a team as a TL? Let's wait. Huh? So before giving name, think twice. You are the responsible for your team. Huh? Not time issue. See, 1 hour is fine, right? Half an hour is fine to connect your team. Time, guys, don't say time issue. I'm driving 4 teams right here. I'm working also, right? Huh? Yeah. So many challenges. Don't say time issue. Tell me, tell me your time schedule. Huh? Morning 10:30 to after that swimming class. How many hours you can swim? 1.5 hour. Till 8, okay, you can swim. Next, dinner. See, whenever you are unable to explain your time, you are not busy. You are busy at your office hours only. Now, if I ask your time, you are thinking something right after 9, after 8. So you are free after 8. So not timing issues then. Okay. My time will start morning 6, right? My office, yesterday night I came to my home from office 11:45 midnight. Okay. Yeah. So Raj is okay, Dharma is okay, Prasanna, very good. Omkar for Bhargavi, okay. But still same names are repeating, right? What about others? So others are trend followers then, not trendsetters. follower, someone is required to give some path to you, right? Yeah. Any creators are there in offline? Hmm? Your name? Mustafa. Mustafa. Okay. Offline one Mustafa is trendsetter, not follower. Any others? Yeah. Your name? Ravinder. Okay. Two members from offline. No, sir. వాళ్ళతోనేనా ఏమైనా ఉందా సెట్ చేసేది వాళ్ళతోనే will decide. Navin will decide team of 5 and all. Tell me, what about others? No? Follower. Okay. Follower. Clarity is the, what about you? I'm follower is saying that, yes, you tell me, you have Instagram account? Instagram account there or not? My question is, you're okay. How many followers? If the 5 members reach to 5,000, are you happy or not? Happy or not? Happy. Same thing. Here also 8 members can follow you. Huh? Like you also, others like others, you are also following to multiple Instagram accounts. Yeah. Anyway, guys, your interest, think it twice and give a names. The interest comes from your end only. If you are silent, means I'm also silent 2 months. That's simple. Okay. 10:30 batch, guys. Let me show you. They're just done 1 month only, right? See the way they're doing the task. Literally, I also surprised. To check the previous message, I should go to at least see March 9th, March 9th, March 9th. See the way they are the team build, March 9th only. Still, you may think, right? Sorry, starting time also, we are also same, sir. Just see 1 month after that. I don't know. Maybe, may not, right? That's completely their interest only. Yeah. But the team build is good. 10:30 as of now. So at least from 9 a.m. we have a still time. Okay. So please. Docker Kubernetes is very important. Solid knowledge is required on these areas to clear your interview. Still, if you learn Docker Kubernetes, at least other concepts, again, you can follow any YouTube, something we can do, except Terraform. Cloud we can learn. But these three are very important. Just, okay, bye.